Hi everyone, welcome to my another video. In this video, I'm going to actually provide you one country code and state code list. I'm not going to work in this video. So sometimes if you are working on a WooCommerce project or develop a WooCommerce plugin for WooCommerce, then you might need some WooCommerce country code and state code list. Sometimes you want to hide WooCommerce product based on country code, country location. So whenever you want to do that, then you might need WooCommerce country code and state code list. So if you are looking for WooCommerce country codes and state code list, then this video is for you. I'll provide you the website link in my video description, and here you'll find all WooCommerce country name and country code. So this will help you to actually achieve your goal. So there is almost 200 plus country name and country code you'll find in my website. So make sure you check out this post and check out my website for different kind of resources. So that's all for now. Thank you.